Hi and welcome to this video. Now, if you've watched my video on subtraction, we looked at how you take one number away from the other and included borrowing. Sometimes you have to borrow from the next column or even the column after that or even further than that. So I just want to show you a little trick that is allowing you to do subtraction very quickly when there's lots of zeros. So look at this first example. We've got 5,000 minus 3,468. Now, if we wanted to do this using the method that I showed in the last video on subtraction, I can't take 8 away from this 0, and there's a 0 here and a 0 here, so I'd have to go all the way to this 5 and borrow from there and pass it along until I had a number I could work with here. But here's a very simple solution to doing this. If we take 1 away from 5,000, we'd get 4,999. So we've taken 1 away, and I'm just going to put that to the side. And now we can do this calculation very easily because we've got all these 9s. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4,999 minus 3,468 would be 1,531. But we took 1 away from the original amount. So what we have to do now is put it back. Whoops, that wasn't a very good line. 1,532. So this is a nice, easy way of taking away when you've got lots of zeros. Let's do another to see if this makes it clear. So 8,000 minus 5,463. Again, we'd have to do a lot of borrowing. So instead, let's take 1 away from 8,000, which would make 7,999. Now we can take away our number easily because we've got lots of 9s. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So there's our answer, 2,536. But we took 1 away, so we have to put that 1 back. So we get 2,537. Now, this is such a sort of important little trick. So watch this again till it really, is clear in your head what's going on here. I do them very quickly, but you can pause at any time or replay them. So let's move on. Why not pause, have a go, and then watch my answer? Okay, so 70,000, lots of zeros. So I'm going to take 1 away from 70,000, and I'd have 69,999. Now I can take away my number easily because I have all those 9s. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So we've got an answer of 22,484. But I took 1 away from the original amount. So I need to add that back. So that just changes that 4 to a 5. Okay, so this works well when you're dealing with money. So if we had, often you might get a question that says something like, you spend £6.55 on 3 items, how much change will you get from £10? So we could say, well, £10 take away £6.55, lots of zeros. So if we were to take away 1p, that would become £9.99. Take away our number quite easily. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, and then we need to add that 1p back on, and we get £3.45. Okay? Pause and try this last one using the same method. So, £20, let's take 1p. Should have had a minus up there, really. So that's going to be 19.99 minus 14.64, which gives us 5.35. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it would be £5.35. We need to add the 1p back on, so it would be £5.36. Now, this isn't a method that you have to use. What I'm giving you here is some ideas of how to do things, but there's lots of different methods to doing arithmetic in maths. So you just try things out and find what you like. But I do think this is quite a neat trick. Okay, that's the end of this video.